support nila, especially the Philippine Sports Commission, the Philippine Olympic Committee, and also some of our sponsors like it says here.
Ganda ng medal.
Was it, how many times have we joined the world, this particular
the
karate
Busan
championship?
Championship, no?
The tournament that we had in South Korea is our two events. The first one, yung first 2 days po ay what we call the Karate 1 or the K1. This is the World Cup of Karate. And third and fourth day was the Korean cadet and junior and children games po. Okay.
Gusto ko talaga yung jacket niya. Namimiss ko na magsuot ng ating huli ko ngayon. Kailan ba yung huli kong
Dream on,
competition?
dream on.
Tagal na eh.
Oh, yeah, dream on.
Kopong-kopong pa.
But anyway, Coach, let me ask you, di ba, paano nag-umpisa ito? Meaning, how did you get your team going? And was there a series of practices or tawagin natin tryouts?
Yes po. The team was composed of people, athletes that won in the last Philippine National Games at Dumaguete.
Yes.
That was in May. And then also we had already the composition of the team, and then we had them undergo training.
Okay.
We also got the services of an Iranian coach under the sponsorship of the Philippine Sports Commission. So he's the one that is giving them the technical skill and training.
So napakalaki ng tulong pa ng Iranian coach.
Malaking tulong po, especially Iran, kasi po is one of the favorite coaches in Asia. Actually, if you're gonna be looking at most of the countries in Asia, they do have Iranian coaches like Korea, Macau, Hong Kong. These countries way before po ay mababa ang level nila of karate. Now their karate is really world level. So we'd like to follow also the footsteps of Korea, Hong Kong, into getting Iranian coaches. Malaysia had an Iranian coach 10 years na po before. So that's why Malaysia's karate went really went up. So yun po.
Di ba kasi si Princess Joanna Marie Iranan, no? When she fought, no? Ang kalaban una niya was an Iranian also, di ba?
Yes.
Tapos ang masakit nito, yung championship game niya talaga, yung laban na ng championship, ang kalaban niya was sa hometown na favorite, no?
Korea.
Dahil Koreana,
Yes,
no?
correct.
O kwenta natin kung mahirap na pagkalaban mo, ano?
Sige, kwenta natin.
Joanna, kwento mo naman sa amin yung experience mo. Mas lalo bang mahirap pagkalaban mo taga doon?
Opo. Kasi parang parang syempre yung referees, yung crowd, galing na nga ng Korea, tsaka nakaka-pressure kasi yung mga cheers nila malalakas kaysa sa amin. Pero hindi pa rin kami nagpatinag sa cheers. Mas malakas pa rin yung cheers ng Pinas.
Marami bang nanood ng mga Pinoy?
Opo, marami.
Talaga?
Opo.
Ito mga taga doon o mga kasama ninyo?
May mga kasama po kami, tapos yung iba po taga doon.
How was the weather there? Yung panahon?
Malamig ba?
Malamig ba? Mainit?
Sa time summer sila yung season na pupunta kami.
Oh, pero indoor naman yung games na yun, di ba? So, nahirapan ka ba nung taga-South Korea yung kalaban mo? Ang
Opo,
pangalan niya,
nahirapan
anong name
po.
ng kalaban mo?
Park on you.
Park on you.
Si Mr. Park!
Park on you.
Park on you.
Park on you. Paparkan
You have a
ka
car,
niya.
I will park on you.
Ganun na nga. At pinarkan siya ni Joanna, di ba?
Pinaradahan siya.
Pinaradahan talaga siya.
Mabuti na lang, hindi natin kita.
But ikaw yung category mo is in the World Championships, no?
Opo. World Cup.
World Cup. And then, ito si Charles naman. Ilang taon ka na ba, Charles?
15 po.
15. So, siya yung cadet. May age category ba yun?
Ako, yung cadet is 14 to 15. Yung junior 16 to 17. Tapos may children kami which is 13 below.
Charles, ito ba ang first international competition mo? Hindi.
Pang third po.
Pang third. Ano yung dalawa mong nauna?
Yung pang una po sa Thailand po, Phuket. Nanalo po ako ng gold po dun.
You won the gold.
Tapos yung pangalawa po, Singapore po. Bronze lang po.
Hindi lang yun. Naka-medal ka pa din. Pero hindi naman ilan ba nakasabit dyan sa leeg?
Dalawa po. Yung isa po, yung gold po, individual. Tapos yung bronze po, team.
I see.
Paano ang team karate?
Ma'am, kasi meron kaming
Simple lang ang sagot dyan, partner.
Pasok lahat.
Free for all.
Yun nga naisip ko eh.
Pupunta ka sa likod to eh.
Paano nga? Kwento mo naman sa akin.
sige,
Team po,
kwento.
tatlong players po. Yun,
Best of 3.
best of 3 po. Yung player number 1 po, lalaban po sa player number 1 po nila.
I
Parang,
see.
tapatan po.
Wow.
Hindi, paano kinakategorize yung player?
Sir,
Number
bali,
one player.
week-
Kasi
week-
kung
week-
gusto mong mag-play underdog, ang
Oo.
gagawin mo, hindi mo ilalaban yung magaling. Itatapon mo na lang sa leon yung mahina mo. Ilaban mo na, pero yung malaki mo, yung malakas mo, pag pasok naman yung mahina niya, itatapak mo. Explain, please.
Actually, sir, may mga ganun strategy din. Pag medyo tingin mo masyadong malakas yung kalaban, yung pinaka, maybe weakest athlete mo, no?
Oo.
Pero again, ang sistema po niyan, mag-register na po sila ng apatan, isang reserve. Yung tatlo po, itatapat kagad doon sa 1, 2, 3 nila. Tapos po, magtatapatan na yan. Pag kung sino unang manalo ng for 2 minutes, kung sino manalo ng mataas sa score, 1 point po yun para sa team. Hanggang pag nakadalawang panalo ka na, tapos na po yun. Sa'yo na yung category na yun. Susunod na bansa ka na.
Alam po sa ating mga tagapakinig, partner, pinag-uusapan natin ngayon is karate, no? Baka meron tayong mga
Oo, kung meron kayong
listeners.
katanungan or gusto nyong i-greet ng congratulations ang ating mga guests, mag-text lang kayo DZMM space, react space ang inyong mensahe, greetings, questions, or anything under the sun at isend yan sa 2366. Lagyan nyo ng pangalan nyo para ma-greet namin kayo on air. O kaya naman para mas mabilis i-tweet nyo ako at Gretchen Fulido, spelled Fullido. Biglang naglabas ng malaking trophy. Si Joanna, ako nagkakwento ko. Joanna, ano itong trophy na ito?
Yan po yung parang
Ayan.
premyo namin dun. A trophy, tsaka medal, tapos 300 euro.
Yan.
For the first
For the
winner.
first.
Kaya po medyo
For the
mahirap
first
yung
placer.
event eh. Mahirap yung event, talagang pinaglalabanan, may cash prize pa kasi po, tsaka at the same time may World Cup. Yung nanalo lang po may World Cup niyan, makakuha ng cup.
At ikaw lang yun, di ba?
Isa dun sa kategory po niya, siya lang po.
Sa kategory niya.
Haba ng hair. Joanna, ilang taon ka na?
20.
Kailan ka nag-start mag-karate?
14 years old pa lang po ako.
Paano ka napasok sa karate?
Yung father ko po, member ng Philippine Karate Do Federation dati pa. Yun, siya yung nag-engganyo sa akin.
Nag-engganyo sa'yo. Tsaka,
For
huhulaan ko lang siguro nung 14 ka, baka may nandiligaw na sa'yo. Sabi ng tatay mo, ligat karate ha?
Pag nilaw ka, bubugin mo. Ikaw talaga, partner.
Pagkatapos, so at the age of 14, doon ka na engganyo. Doon ka na, kumbaga sa nahook ka na sa karate, no? But you talaga bang gusto mo siya o napilitan ka lang dahil
Dahil sabi ng daddy mo.
sabi ng
At
tatay mo,
first,
kailangan niya.
parang napilitan po ako kasi di ba, syempre bata,
Oo.
yun.
More
puro laro.
priorities than karate, di ba?
Pero ano ba gusto mo sanang sport kung hindi karate?
Wala. Parang karate.
Wala siyang choice.
Wala naman palang gusto, kaya talagang karate na siya. Diba?
Si Alex naman. How old are you, Alex?
13.
You're 13. When did you start karate naman?
When I was like 6 years old.
Okay. Bakit?
Uh,
Daddy niya! Oo nga, no? Yung apelido nila pareho.
He also has no choice.
Okay lang, maglabas ka ng sama ng loob. Okay lang. But did your dad encourage you?
yeah, a little.
Pero gusto mo talaga?
Of course. It's what's in the
Pilit na
family.
pilit.
Anong school mo, Alex?
School.
Where do you go to school?
Maria Montessori.
Uh-huh.
Quezon City.
I see.
Hindi naman, they're very supportive naman when it comes to sports. Kasi may mga schools na strict kasi baka absent kayo sa mga competitions. Kwento mo naman yung mga medals mo. Pakita naman. Kita ka sa teleradyo, baka yung mga classmates mo nanonood.
Say hi to them.
Say hi!
Take care of your medals because someday you'll start looking for them and you can't find them anymore.
Isa yun ba hindi mo hinang, partner?
Hindi, nagkawala-wala eh.
Yun.
Alam mo nung araw, the reality is that you win a medal, but at the same time, the medal will only be not as significant as survival. Kasi you have so many things right in front of you pareho ng yung hanap buhay mo, yung pamilya mo, nag-aaral ka, yung mga gano'n, sabay sabay-sabay yan, di ba? Which is
Pero ngayon
wrong.
mo lang marirealize yung
Oo.
value ng ano mo. No?
Hinahanap ko dahil naalala ko yun, ilinibing ko yun somewhere para pagdating
Nilibing
ng
mo?
panahon, na kailangan ko ng pera.
Tutubugin mo.
And then really, I don't really know where it went, you know, because at that time we were transferring from one house to the other, lipat-lipat dahil sa ganun pagkabuhay, di ba?
Palaki ng palaki yung bahay.